Ria mirongo itatu na imwe ria Mbitika Cia Ngamira International nirehete hamwe atongoria aingi kuma kaunti cia Narok, Kajiado na Samburu arita njira ya gukuria ugendi mathako-ini, kugitira unduire na kuiga thayu nduriri-ini ici. Gavana wa kaunti ya Samburu Lati Leliet akihuria kana akihura shafi ni imwe wa iria irehete hamwe, kana ni augite Mbitika ici ni imwe wa iria irehete hamwe agendi aingi na koya agendi matigetigire ukorwo magicera kaunti-ini iyo ya Samburu.
Called sports tourism. This Camel Derby combines both sports tourism. Comes after we held the biggest cultural week in Kenya, the Maasai Mara. And we've agreed as counties, Maas-speaking counties, that every year we'll be doing such events in Samburu, in Kajiado, and in Narok. This is part of that cultural blend towards our cultural week next year that hosted by Samburu. The Camel Derby brings people all over the world, from all countries across Americas and Europe, and that's why it's called an international event. We have amateur races and professional races. We have all international people here today, nationalities, they're here, and we are happy that this Camel Derby has come back. We had stopped it due to Corona for the last, I think, 4 or 5 years. Narok and Kajiado, the MPs and senators in these counties, because it shows to be here today to help us prosper this culture of ours.
All the communities in Kenya are here celebrating this day. And as a Council of Governors, we are developing tourism. Each county is unique in their own ways, and we want to develop the 47 counties to have different things that we are celebrating as Kenya, so that we can see as one. And all of you have seen that this event brings people together. There is coexistence of all communities in Kenya, and this one is also one way of really bringing, this region has had so many other issues, conflicts here and there because of pasture, but again because of the county governments, particularly the county of Samburu. We want to congratulate our colleague, the elite, for organizing this event. As you can see, it's one of those events that we are now building up for the second Maa Culture Week.